Good morning to everyone. Today I would like to introduce myself. My name is Giuseppe Fiore. I come from Bari, Italy, and I am 27 years old. I studied at the Polytechnic of Bari. I graduated in April 2017 and I am a structural civil engineer. After my degree, I had the possibility to collaborate for almost 1 year with a team of engineers in an engineering firm in my city. I started first as CAD designer for structural projects and then I continued with structural analysis. During this period, I improved my team working and problem-solving ability. In September 2017, I was selected by Dirextra to take part to the 28th edition of Dirextra placement course for professional engineers in the construction, oil and gas sector in Manchester. And so now I'm here and I am attending this master because I want to improve my technical skills and to learn how to become a good project manager for a large building company. As myself, I am ambitious, flexible and determined. I like working in teams and dealing with and resolving different and new problems to test myself. I like traveling and I would like to work abroad to improve myself personally and professionally and to get to know different cultures. My goals are to work with a big construction company and to participate in a big ambitious project. Thank you for your attention.